Day 7 of converting this van into a camper van. Previously I painted and dyed everything so that it was ready to install. Adam and I first attached the bulkhead by using a straight edge to align the screws and securing it into place. We then added a support beam to the front and rear of the roof in order for us to start the roof cladding, which we will attach to these. With the roofing, we started by measuring and cutting pieces to size before aligning them onto the roof and fixing with small screws. When we reached the plank that we wanted to fit the lights into, Adam cut holes using a jigsaw so that our warm lights would fit in. I then made the electric circuit for the lights, which is a positive cable from the leisure battery to the switch and out of the switch to the first light. It's a negative from the battery to the first light and so on until you reach the last light in the circuit where the circuit will end. The finished roof looks something like this, although we do need to add edging and we also need to add a beam above the bed, which is something we're going to do last minute. Adam then cut to size support beams for the bed frame and cut out notches for the mattress support. He duplicated this on both sides and then drilled it into the metal of the van. We managed to have a window fitted in the last couple of days too, which is why I have been slow to post in the last few days, but we do love the window, it looks awesome. But now it is in, with now being able to carpet up and around the window. Follow for day 8 where we will finish the bed frame, the chair and other odd jobs we have left to complete.